Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me. So I did title this an anxiety and depression type clean with me. So I just wanted to come on here and encourage anyone that suffers from any type of mental health issue and you just feel like you can't get it together. I just want to be super motivating today and just to tell you that of course you can't get it all done in one day, but you can definitely take that first step. So in this video I'm just going to be going through each room and just tidying up each space. And like I said, if you are going through a rough patch right now, just know that you will come out on the other side. So I hope this video will inspire you to get something done today. As they always say, a clean home equals a clear mind, and I definitely agree with that statement. So the first thing we are doing today is just tidying up the bedroom. I definitely wanted to do a little bit of deep cleaning, so we're just wiping down the mirrors, we wiped down the TV, we're doing some dusting, and now we're just going to finish off by vacuuming this space, and then we're going to move into the living room. So now that we are in the living room, I'm just going to put some things back where they go. I'm going to put out a new candle as well. I'm super excited to go to Marshall's and purchase new fall candles, but haven't done that yet. But I'm putting out a new candle that we had in storage. And so then I'm going to straighten out the couch. Like always, we're going to vacuum this space as well. So just lots of things to do in this space. So let's go ahead and get that checked off our list.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you.
I definitely need to deep clean my cabinets. Definitely not getting to it today, but that is one thing I want to encourage you to do, especially if you're super overwhelmed with cleaning and just feel like you have so much to get done. If you pass something that might take you 5 or 10 minutes to actually clean, go ahead and clean that small area. So for example, I noticed that cabinet door around the knobs and maybe halfway up the cabinet was just getting pretty dirty. So I just decided to go ahead and take an extra minute or two to wipe it down, so that way I'm like not thinking, oh, I need to come back and just scrub all the cabinets down, you know, and just take a very long time to do it. So just know that if you sort of make it a habit, if you walk past something that might take that extra amount of time to clean, but you know that it's always in your mind every time you pass that space, definitely go ahead and tidy it. One, so you can erase that thought out of your mind and move on to the next thing, but also just so that you're not having to say, oh, I'm going to come back and just accumulate all these different tasks and do them all in one day.
Just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Clean With Me video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Ooh, ooh.